It is very easy to make money nowadays from the comfort of your home via the internet, but most people don't know how and where to start. Adding another stream of income to your primary job help push your finances. That is why I want to share with you 6 passive income ideas that can generate another source of income. Maybe you don't know what passive income means. It simply means an earnings or income that you don't actively participate in. I know you want a lot of money and you want to generate that within the shortest possible time as you can. To be honest, passive income does not mean money for nothing. With this, my idea is you have to put in small effort or work to generate more money. With all being said, you need only 2 things. That is 1, the gadget that you are watching this video with, and 2, subscribing to our YouTube channel. With that being said, let's start now. Start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is pretty simple and easy. All you need is your Gmail account. You see, every day the world watches 1 billion hours of YouTube videos. YouTube has transformed from entertainment site only to powerful monetization tool for everyone. If you really want to earn pretty decent amount of money aside your primary job, I think setting up YouTube channel could be the best option now. There may be some myth that YouTube is crowded and it is not easy to make it because every niche is being monopolized. This isn't true. The best time to start a YouTube channel was 2009 when everything just began. The another best time to start a YouTube channel is now. Look at the subject you are interested in and start making videos about it and upload it to YouTube. To be more real and clear here, YouTube don't just pay you when you upload videos. You need to build up audience before you can start making some good money. And you can build up audience by uploading consistently to your channel. Write an ebook. Writing an ebook can be a good opportunity to take advantage of low cost of publishing and even leverage the worldwide distribution of Amazon to get your book seen by millions of would-be buyers. Ebook can be relatively short, something like 30 to 60 pages, and can be relatively cheap to create since they rely on your own experience. To make money from your book, choose a topic that is popular or on demand. I really recommend you choose what you are genuinely interested in rather than just choosing a topic that you think is gonna make you money. You see, with ebook, you can practically write about anything from children's book, habit transformation, city guide, or collection of your favorite walking route, living on budget. I mean everything. And you can easily publish your book on popular sites like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Smashwords, and many other public sites. Create a course. One popular strategy for passive income is creating a course, then sitting by while cash rolls in from the sales of your product. Just like the ebook, choose a topic which you have much insight or knowledge about. With this, you will give your audience exactly what they came looking for, and for that matter, will gradually bring traction to your course due to the value it has provided. To search for topics to create your course about, I recommend you check on YouTube popular courses that you can make. And after creating, you can sell your course online on sites like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera. There are other popular sites, but I think these 3 are good according to me. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate earns a commission from marketing a person's or company's product. With this, you simply search for product that you enjoy and then promote that product and earns a profit from each sales you make. You see, affiliate marketing is a great way to drive sales and generate significant online revenue. With affiliates, you can earn up to 7% of the price of the product. But the reality is you need to have a decent followers in order to earn much money. TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube has been the best platform to gain followers that you can promote your affiliate product to. You can also start by building an email list to help you if you are a beginner. The best affiliate partners are Amazon, eBay, Awin, and ShareSales. You can start by trying this site, and I know it will be profitable in the long run. Start a podcast. You see, the joy of podcasting is that your podcast can be about anything you want it to be: a hobby, a side hustle, or a lucrative business. You may be surprised to find out that podcasts can bring you serious dollars you can't even imagine. Let's be clear here. As already said, I'm not suggesting your podcast will bring money instantly. That is no. You need to create value to your audience and have a decent listeners before you can earn pretty much money. You can earn good money from advertisements and sponsorship in between your podcast. You see, podcast is still in its early stage, and you can take advantage of that by creating a podcast now, and then you can generate a lot of money in the future. Sell photography online. Selling photos online might not be the most obvious place to set up a passive business, but it could allow you to scale your effort, especially you can sell same photos over and over again. To do that, you might work with an organization like Getty Images, Shutterstock, or Alamy. To get started, you will have to be approved by the platforms, and then you license your photos to be used by whoever download them. The platform then pays you every time someone uses your photo. You will need photos that appeal to a specific audience or that represent a certain scene. From the get-go, you could add photos but not get any money. But as you keep on, some few photos may drive a huge amount of revenue. As already said, all these side hustles demand passion and little work. Give a try to any of these ideas and generate another stream of income. Always remember that one stream of income isn't enough for you, because the rich and the millionaires does not depend on one stream of income. So try as much as possible to add another stream of income, even if possible 2 streams of income to your primary job. Subscribe to help us out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. As always, au revoir mes amis.